Opening a live OANDA account is fast. In 60 seconds, I'll walk you through it. First, choose your account type: individual, joint, or corporate. Pick what fits. Decide between standard or pro accounts based on spreads, tools, and trading needs. Have a valid ID ready. Passport or government-issued photo identification works best. Prepare proof of residence, recent utility bill or bank statement dated within 3 months. Enter your personal details, upload both documents, and submit the verification form. Verification usually takes 1 to 3 business days after you submit your documents. If OANDA needs more details, they'll contact you by email with clear instructions. Fund your account via bank transfer, debit or credit card, or supported e-wallets. Check currency choices and any fees before sending funds to avoid delays or charges. Common pitfalls: mismatched names, expired IDs, or blurry uploads. Fix these early. Ready to start? Visit OANDA's sign-up page now to open your live account and fund it.